Okay, so here we have my second instrument I've made. It's a Sony cassette Walkman that's probably about 15 years old, as is the tape that's in it. I've actually got only the one cassette tape at the minute. Hopefully I'll be able to find a tape recorder and more cassettes to use, and we can put our own sounds and play about with them through this, because at the moment it's just plain a mixtape of Pantera songs that I probably made about 15 years ago. So that'll have limited uses for what we're wanting to do. But for the purposes of demonstration, it's okay. So what I was initially doing when I first ripped this apart, because it's got quite a complex circuit board for a cassette player, because it's also got an FM AM radio built into it, which I'm hoping to look at in the future. But with the tape player, I was initially playing about with the actual physical tape heads to mess with the playback speed and pitch and such. And I was looking for points on the circuit board that would allow me to use circuit bending techniques to do the same thing. And so these two potentiometers do just that. This one on the down here at the minute has completely stopped the tape playback. It really just slows it down to a complete halt. So you can get some really nasty, grainy, time stretchy, slow down type of effects going. And yeah, just very quickly completely cut out the tape. If I leave that playing a bit, the other one does the exact opposite and sends the tape into hyperspeed mode. And obviously you can use a combination of the two to get different sounds. All sorts of craziness going on. Obviously with just the one hand, it's kind of hard to play about with this properly, but also the potentiometers just at the minute are very, very exposed, because the actual cassette player is too small to drill holes in and get these to be drilled into the unit like all our other equipment. So I've already had problems with the connections ripping apart in particular in the middle of our group improv session. So I'm going to have to rethink my strategies for that. I might have to build a separate container to actually house these potentiometers and any other interesting hacks that I find for this unit. But for the demonstration, I suppose it's okay just to play about with them as they are. So yeah, there's the tape player.